Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Snapchat device ban problem. So guys, if your device has been banned from Snapchat, your device is iOS or any other like Android, so guys you can easily fix this problem. So guys, here you can see when I am going to log in my Snapchat facing this issue, and guys when I am going to create new account then facing this issue again and again. So guys, it means your device has been banned. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back. And guys, after going to back, simply you need to open your settings on your phone. And guys, after opening your settings, simply you need to scroll it down, find here app management, and guys you need to click on app list. And guys, you will find all the apps that you have installed on your phone. So guys, after doing this, from here you need to search Snapchat. So guys, simply you need to open your Snapchat here, and guys you need to click on storage and cache, and simply you need to click on clear storage or clear data. So guys, simply you need to clear all the data, and guys after doing this you need to go back. So guys, at second step you need to open your Play Store. So guys, maybe there is update problem. So guys, simply you need to open your Play Store here. And guys, after opening your Play Store here, you need to search your Snapchat app, as you can see. So guys, after doing this you need to update your app from here, as you can see here. If not updated your app, then guys you need to update. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, after doing this, simply you need to open any internet browser on your phone. So guys, for example, I am going to open this browser, and guys after opening your browser here you need to search Snapchat support. Simply you need to search this on your phone. And guys, you need to click on this Snapchat option, as you can see here. So guys, you need to wait for its opening, and guys you need to scroll it below. Here is the option of contact us. And guys, after clicking on it you need to wait, and guys from here you need to select any option. So guys, for example, I am going to open this one, that is I can't access my account. And guys, below you need to select here the option that is I think my account was compromised. And guys, after doing this you need to wait. So guys, from here you will find here is the option of username. So guys, here you need to write your Snapchat username, and guys below you need to write your email address, and guys here you need to put your phone number that you have entered on Snapchat. And guys, at last you need to write your problem, that your device has been banned due to any community guideline violation, and guys you need to say sorry. And guys, after writing your problem you need to tell them please fix this problem or unban your device as soon as possible. And guys, after writing your all the descriptions, all the problems, and guys you need to click on submit. And guys, after submitting, within few hours your problem will be fixed. You will receive an email on your email, and guys after doing this you will receive that congratulations, your account has been activated and your device has been unbanned from Snapchat. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.